Hey beautiful souls, welcome to Lex TV where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B and you read the caption. In today's video we're making Jamaican corned beef with cabbage, white rice, and fried wheat plantain. A very humble meal. My mother used to make this for us all the time back in the day and it tastes so good. Corned beef and cabbage, I think it's popular in a lot of different cultures. So let's get into the recipe. Nothing to it but to get into it. Here I am prepping my cabbage, slicing them thinly. And you could cut up your cabbage any way that you like. And I'm prepping some scallions. I haven't had corned beef and cabbage in years, you guys. So long. And then here I am slicing some onions. A tomato. And it's funny because I saw Baddie Twins. I read a caption for one. I didn't watch the video, but I saw a caption that they made some corned beef and cabbage. And I said, oh my God, I'm craving that now. Did that ever happen to you? So here I'm prepping some Scotch bonnet pepper after prepping some tomato. And look at the humbled corned beef. But yeah, sometimes I'll see something, all of a sudden I have a taste for it. And so that's what happened. I haven't had this since, I feel like since I was a kid. Like a teen. Like a young teen. My mother had not made this in a very long time, and neither have I. I just learned how to open this can like 2 weeks ago, girl. Listen. Okay. All right, so there goes the corned beef there. And corned beef has a good amount of salt content in it. Corning is the salting of it. So you don't need to add too much salt to this recipe. Now here I'm sauteing the onions and the scallions. I'm adding my Scotch bonnet pepper and my tomato. I'm just going to saute that for a few minutes. And then I'm prepping my green plantain, just taking the skin off and slicing. Now we're going to do a double fry on the green plantain. I'll always do a double fry. Otherwise, it's too starchy and too chalky, the green plantain, if you don't do a double fry, in my opinion. And before the second fry, you gotta, use your mallet and flatten it out a bit. All right, so now I'm going to add in my cleaned cabbage. Make sure you thoroughly clean your cabbage. I'm adding in some minced garlic. And we're just going to give that a good mix. Such a very simple, humble, and affordable meal. And then here I have a seasoning mix that has salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and I believe that's all that's in there. I just added a little bit. You don't need too much now. Remember, the corned beef, corning something is also like salting it. So you can imagine like saltfish, but not as salty as saltfish. But yeah, it's a way to preserve meat. And here I am frying my plantain. This is the first fry. Then I take them out, smash them a bit, and then fry them again. And then you can add a little salt and pepper, whatever you like, on your fried green plantain. Such a delicious and simple meal. That one can go a long way for your family. You can feed a family of 4 with this easily. That one can. Okay? So I added in the corned beef and we're giving that a good mix. And I'm just going to let this cook for a few more minutes and then that's it. Because this is such a simple and easy meal. And I'm adding some thyme, which I need more of. Corned beef and cabbage. Yes, let me know if you eat, if you've had corned beef. And let me know if you've had corned beef and cabbage. I wouldn't necessarily say that I would order this, but I would definitely make it for my family. If I went somewhere, I probably wouldn't order, unless they, made it gourmet style. Like, I'll probably do a gourmet version of corned beef with cabbage. Then I would order that because then it's something very different from your everyday home cooking. But if I just made it how I made it today, I just think it's a great meal to make for your family, not necessarily to order out because it's that simple, But I should make a gourmet version of corned beef. Yeah, I should. And I have an idea of how I want to do that as well. So this is just how my mother would make it. Just like this. Or sometimes we would have it with boiled dumpling and potato and sweet potato and stuff like that. And in Jamaica, they call this bully beef. That's what they call it, bully beef. Beef, bull, you know? Okay. But yeah, I love all the textures in this. The corned beef with the cabbage is such a nice pairing. The cabbage gives a nice texture. Then you have the flavor from the onions, the scallion, the Scotch bonnet. That adds that little bit of kick. The corned beef has a nice taste. I love canned corned beef. I think it's delicious. And it just goes very well with white rice to me. And the green plantain, because then you can put some of it on your green plantain and eat it like a nacho. So good. So good. All right, so anyways, you guys, this was an amazing meal, and I thank every single one of you for tuning in. We appreciate every single one of our subscribers, and we pray that you all are doing well. So again, thank you for tuning in. God bless and peace.